This is day 5 of your challenge. From surviving to self-worth, stepping into your sovereign. Survival taught you how to shrink, stay small, stay safe. But today, we begin to step into our self-worth, not as a performance, but as a birthright. It is time to rise from survival to sovereign and take your seat in your own life. Welcome to Silent Screams, Loud Strength, the podcast. On day 5, from survival to self-worth, stepping into your sovereignty. I am your host, Samantha. The return of self-challenge. Today is not about softness, it's about standing tall. It's about remembering that your worth isn't something you have to earn, to prove or beg. It is not given to you by others. It is your birthright. And trauma may have made you forget that. But healing is how we remember. For years, I thought I had to be perfect to be loved. I twisted myself to a palatable, predictable, pleasing, until one day I asked, what would happen if I stopped performing? The answer was really, I would be free finally. So I'm speaking from a place of knowing, of experiencing the same journey you are on right now. Today, we are not shrinking. We are reclaiming our sovereign. Domestic trauma conditions us to seek approval at the cost of authenticity. We become experts in reading others' moods, but strangers to our own needs. Survival tells you to stay small. Self-worth tells you to take up space. It is time to release the belief that being low maintenance makes you lovable. You are not hard to love. You have just been expected to love without receiving. And today, that ends. It ends today. Today, our MMPE focus is we plan and execute. Not hustling, not perfectionism, just intentional action rooted in worth. So try these mini exercises. Write down 3 things you no longer apologize for. Write 1 boundary you will reinforce. Name 1 thing you deserve simply because you exist. Say it out loud. Claim it. That's execution. That's embodiment. Write down 3 things you no longer apologize for. Write 1 boundary you will reinforce. And name 1 thing you deserve simply because you exist. Claim it loud. Say it out loud. Claim your truth. That's execution and that's embodiment. So day 4's challenge is you write self-worth declaration and bold, unapologetic truth about who you are beyond your trauma, beyond your abuse, beyond your suffering, beyond your shrinking. You are reclaiming yourself today. Your self-worth declaration has to be powerful, true to you and who you are. Your journal prompts are: what I was taught to believe about my worth. Write what that is. What do I now choose to believe instead? If I finally and fully believe I was worthy, what would I say to? What would I say to no? What would I say to yes? What are your choices? How are you going to reinforce those boundaries? You are allowed to be powerful. You are allowed to be loud. You are allowed to be whole. I'll say that again. You are allowed to be powerful. You are allowed to be bold. You are allowed to be loud. You are allowed to be whole. Tomorrow, we close this challenge with the softness, the strongest act of all, opening your heart again to joy, to love, to life. I can't wait to walk the path with you. You are a champion. You are worthy. You are strong. You have come this far. Therefore, you know you deserve to be allowed to be powerful, to be allowed to be loud, to be allowed to be whole, and most importantly, to be your authentic self. So claim your boldness, claim your space, and claim your presence, because you're worthy of it. It's your birthright.